So hello everyone, this is Malache and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be about the unboxing of tripod stand and also this mic which I have ordered online. So basically this is my small YouTube setup. Videos are not that much perfect, but I'm sure that you will get some ideas about that how to start the YouTube channel. So if you like the video, then don't forget to share this video with your friends and also share this video with your friends who really want to improve their English, because I always upload the different types of videos related on English on my channel and also the mini blogs which you can really enjoy. So bye bye and just enjoy the video.
So guys, I had ordered this from Amazon just to start my new journey towards the YouTube. I don't know that how will be my YouTube journey, but I know that I am going to work harder for this. Because big things always start from nothing, and I know that I am going to do my best for this. Slowly I was opening the product, and in between that I was so excited about the product. I took the cutter and cut the tapes which they have packed properly. Actually, I am posting this video after so many days because I could not get time for showing this to my audience. I thought there will be something in the box, but it was fully empty. Then I again took a look on that and keep that beside. After that, I bring out the ring light from the box and then I started checking it. The excitement of opening new product is really amazing and we get a lots of enjoyment of that. In the starting, I had no idea about the instrument which they have provided with the product. I was just keeping all the instrument on the table and I again took a look on this ring light. And now it's time to check the ring light. So let's plug in and check it out. So guys, look at the happiness after turning on the ring light on my face. Isn't it so amazing? Now let me turn off the lights of my room and we will check the ring light again. So guys, all I want to tell you that the ring light is so amazing that you can already see on my screen. It has a 3 different colors that you can see as per your need. You can also adjust the light with the help of plus and minus buttons. Now we are moving towards our next unboxing, which is going to be about the K8 wireless mic. Guys, I had not thought that I will upload these videos on YouTube, but I am uploading this video just to get some ideas about the products.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting video and we will meet in the another video as soon as possible. Till that, bye.